How to edit photos using Gemini AI on Android. This tutorial shows you how to use Gemini to make quick AI-powered edits to your photos. First, open the Gemini app on your Android device and sign into your account. From there, tap the plus icon next to the text field at the bottom to open the attachment options. After that, tap Add Image and select the photo you want to edit from your gallery. At this point, once the image is uploaded, type in what you want Gemini to do with it in the text field. From here, you can ask it things like remove the background, make the image brighter, change the style to look like a painting, or add a specific effect. Just describe what you want in plain language. Following this, tap Send and give Gemini a moment to process the image and apply the changes. After that, once the edited image appears in the chat, tap and hold on it and select Save Image to download it straight to your gallery. From here, if you're not happy with the result, just type a follow-up prompt describing what you want changed, and Gemini will generate a new version based on your feedback. Finally, you can keep refining the image by sending additional prompts in the same conversation until you get exactly the result you're looking for. That's how you edit photos using Gemini AI on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!